Stop accusing me, Stephen. I don't need this in my life.
Sarah, you know I love you. This is ridiculous.
I saw how you looked at her.
You're imagining things. What do you mean how I looked at her?
Stephen, you know exactly what I mean.
I only love one woman.
What is happening between you and Helen?
I am sick of these accusations. She is no threat.
I don't trust you!
When have I ever betrayed your trust?
Hi, this is Steven. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you. Hi, this is Steven. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you. Hi, this is Steven. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you.
Get some ice cream or something. Go on a long walk. Okay. You know? Let me know. Listen, thank you so much. You are a lifesaver.
Hey, babe. Are you okay? Oh, I'm sorry I've not been answering my phone calls. My battery died.
Are you cheating on me on my birthday? I tried to call you all day, and now you said your battery is dead. I don't believe you.
Seriously, stop being so paranoid. Come on, let's go for a walk.
What is happening between you and Helen? Are you sleeping with her?
Helen? Our neighbor, Helen? What makes you think that?
I know you have an affair. So your life has no value in this world. You have to go to hell where you'll never come back again. Go to hell, cheater.
Oh, hi Sarah. Happy birthday. Oh my god. What happened?
Those who are cheating, what will be their ending?
What are you talking about? Did you do this?
Did you have an affair with my husband?
No.
You're lying. You'll be just like
Thank you for coming. I just want to surprise my wife. She's been really homesick and it's been difficult for her to make friends.
Oh yeah, of course. I will go get some party decorations and put them up while the two of you are out.
Awesome. I'll get her out of the house, we'll go on a long walk and get some ice cream or something.
Okay, that sounds great. Yeah, just let me know when you're on your way back and I will make sure everything's good to go. Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my God, you're a lifesaver. I love her so much. I just want her to be happy forever. Okay.